Now you can see here when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, the process is same. We can draw. So if you want to draw according to this, you can draw. So in the rough diagram, if you will draw, I am explaining with the help of rough diagram. The quadrilateral name is A, B, C, D. Okay. Where A, B. So BC first given. So okay, 4.5 centimeter. AD 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Now CD here is given 5 centimeter. Right. Then diagonal AC. This 5.5 centimeter. Okay. And diagonal BD. So not possible AB because the length of AB is not given. So any side we can draw first because 2 diagonals are given here. You can see. And with the help of diagonal also you can start your diagram. So first we will draw CD. CD is the length of CD is 5 centimeter. So suppose that I am explaining here only with the help of. So suppose that children, we have drawn CD. Okay. Now C to D drawn. So we can take the point D and C, the common point B we can draw. So what we will do, 4.5 centimeter radius we will take and draw an arc. Same way 7 centimeter radius we will draw and another arc we will draw. So this point what you will get, this point name you will get B and you will join here. Rough I am explaining. Okay, so we will get this. And here is the length of BC is 4.5 centimeter. And here is now common point C to A we can draw. So now 5.5 centimeter and C as a center, draw an arc. Now B to D to A also. So 5.5 centimeter, join another arc. Join here this and this. So you got this. This shape you will not got because I have give one idea, rough idea. Okay. So see here the final diagram in this way they have drawn here. Diagonally. First what they have done, first drawn AC diagonal. Now the quadrilateral name is ABCD. So below AB is not given. So with the help of C, so upper point D, that means here first we will draw. Now see here D to. So A 5.5 centimeter radius taken, draw an arc and C 5 centimeter. So D point you will get and joint this. Now from D as a center by taking radius 7 centimeter, draw an arc and C as a center, taken radius 4 centimeter, another arc drawn. So you will get the intersecting point. So join D to B and then intersecting point you are getting, so you can join this. Okay, so you can draw whatever method is easy for you, you can adopt. Only do your work neat and clean and complete your notebook. Now see, think, discuss and write. Okay, in the above example, can we draw the quadrilateral by drawing triangle ABD first and then find the fourth point C? Okay, I'll explain. So the measurement of given this in previous question. Okay, and you know students, I have drawn a rough figure from AB before few minutes. So AB, the measurement of AB is not given in this question anywhere. And first, the condition is given in the think discuss, draw triangle ABD. So for any one length, suppose that AD is given. Okay, so first, because AB is not given, so AD, if we will draw 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now BD is given, so 7 centimeter you will take radius and draw an arc. But from A to B, that means length of AB is not given anywhere. So how you will take radius with the definite measurement and second arc? How you will draw for getting intersecting points? Sorry, intersecting point. So you will not get intersecting point, that is B. So the answer of this question is, because the length of AB is not given, so we can't draw the quadrilateral by drawing triangle ABD first. Now second question, can you construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equal this, R is equal this, PA is equal this, PR equal to this, and SQ equal to this? Justify your answer. Okay, so let us start. Now see, measurement are given in this way. You can see here, and I have drawn rough diagram. So PQRS, where PQ is equal to 3, RQ 4, this RQ is not given. Now 7.5 centimeter PS and PR 8 centimeter, QS 4 centimeter, and SR. So what we can do, if we will imagine, so P 7.5 centimeter will take radius, and SQ is given here. You can see 4 centimeter. So this 4 centimeter. Now but see here, so P2S and Q2S, that point we will get. Okay, but practically when I have drawn this, you will get first PQ equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, now P2S, I have taken 7.5 centimeter radius, so arc I am getting here. Now from Q to S, so Q I have taken 4 centimeter radius, so I am getting arc here. I am not getting anywhere intersecting point. So what is the reason? So reason is this: in triangle we know that the sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. So according to here also should be PQ, okay, plus QS sum should be greater than PS. And the length of PQ is 3, QS is 4, and PS is 7.5 centimeter. So 7 is greater than 7.5? No, no, no. So we can't construct a quadrilateral because this we can see it is not applicable here. So it's not possible, the property of triangle. Now we will start exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, you can see construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral LIFT lift. So LI is this, IF 3 centimeter, TL 2.5 centimeter, LF 4.5 centimeter, IT equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Now see here rough diagram I have drawn. LIFT, where LI 4 centimeter, written L to T 2.5, I to F 3 centimeter, L to F 4.5 centimeter, and I to T 4 centimeter. So first we can draw by this LI. We will draw first, then by taking L as a center, and we will draw an arc by taking radius 2.5 centimeter. Then from I 4.5 centimeter we will take radius and draw an arc. So this arc will intersect first arc at T. We will join L to T and I to T, and then we can draw here. You will take 4 centimeter radius. Okay, so you will get T point. Now from here L to F and I to F we can draw. So let us start. Now with the help of rough diagram we got idea. So what we can do, first LI. So I have drawn LI equal to 4 centimeter. You can see here. Okay. Now what I have done, by now L as a center and 2.5 centimeter radius I have taken, and a big arc I have drawn. You can see. Now from here I as a center and taken radius 4 centimeter, I have drawn this arc, small arc, because intersecting point I am getting easily. So you will give the name of this point is T. Now join L to T and I to T. Now from L, by taking radius 4.5 centimeter, I forgot to write here, and draw an big arc. Now from IF, so I as a center and taken radius 3 centimeter, I have drawn arc. So intersecting point, that intersecting point I have given the name of this F. Okay. Now join L to F, I to F. Now both the place you are getting intersecting points. So join this. So your quadrilateral is constructed. So steps of construction, whatever we are doing, we have to write. So what we have done, first draw a line segment with the help of a ruler. A line segment LI equal to 4 centimeter, by taking radius 2.5 centimeter, L as a center, draw an arc by taking 4 centimeter radius with I as a center, draw an another arc which intersects previous arc at a point T, join L to T, I to T. Now by taken radius 4.5 centimeter, L as a center, draw an arc. Now I as a center and taken radius 3 centimeter, draw another arc which intersects first arc or previous arc at the point F, join L to F, I to F and T to F. LIFT is the required quadrilateral where L equal to this, IF equal to this, TL equal to this, LF equal to this, IT equal to this. Okay. Now second question, quadrilateral GOLD. So first you will draw rough diagram and then you can draw. Here rhombus, in rhombus you know all the sides are equal, so you will try, and if you will be facing any query or any problem or any difficulty, you can ask me in the group. So So 4.2 is finished here. Now see students, first I have drawn GOLD quadrilateral, but here you can see GO is not given in the question. You can see so what I have done in the rough diagram, LD is given, so first I have drawn here LD is given, so I have started the figure from here. So LD, so GOLD I have drawn. Now LG is given, so L to G and D to G you can draw. So triangle you will get. After that from here to here you can draw O points, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so you will do this yourselves. Now see here in the third question. In the third question you can see rhombus BE and D, where BN and DE. So I have drawn rough figure BE and D. All the four sides are equal in a rhombus, but you can see here only diagonals are given. Any one of the sides is not given. So property of rhombus is, we know that the diagonals of rhombus intersects each other at 90-degree angle, at a right angle. So that property we will use, bisects each other. The diagonals of rhombus bisects each other at a right angle. So that property we will use. So in that property what we will do, first we will draw 5.6 any diagonal or 6.5 and bisect, perpendicular bisector we will draw, and then we will get intersecting point, and then rhombus we will get. Okay, so let us start. So first what we will do, we will draw a diagonal. Why 6.5 centimeter? I will tell you later on. Why first? Why this measurement 5.6? Why I have not taken? I will tell you. So first, with the help of ruler, we will draw a line segment 6.5 centimeter. After that, what we will do? More than the radius DE. So more than, that means we will open till here, more than half. Okay, and we will draw E as a center, so upper and below we will draw here arc, and then here and here. So we will get intersecting point. Those points we can give the name X and Y. Intersecting point we are getting. Okay. So we got the bisector of this diagonal or line segments, you can say, and perpendicular bisector. That means you can see each angle is 90-degree. Clear? Now second diagonal length is 5.6. So what we will do? 5.6 we will divide by 2. Half. 2 to the 2 8 are. So with the help of ruler we will take 2.8 radius. Okay. And intersecting point, you can give the name of this perpendicular bisector is at O. So what we will do? Half of this radius we will take and center we will assume, and we will draw one arc here, upper and below. So we will get again the intersecting point. Then what we will do, we will join this point, D to B, B to E. So B to E, E to N, N to D, and D to B. So B, E, N, D. This rhombus we will get where all the sides are equal. So by using the property of diagonal, because we know that you have to write in your interleaf notebook before when you are writing the steps of construction, we know that the diagonals of rhombus bisects each other at right angle. So now steps of construction. Draw a line segment with the help of ruler. Draw a line segment D equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then draw a perpendicular bisector of DE. The name of the bisector is XY. Now D is a center, and by taking radius 2.8 centimeter, draw an arc upper side and below side. Now E is a center. No need to E as a center. So we got intersecting point on perpendicular bisector XY. The points name are B and D. Now join B to D, B to E, E to N, N to D. So B, E, and D is the required rhombus where dash 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 dash. Okay, so 4.2 we have finished here. If you have any query, you can ask me in the group. Okay.